Baron, Valen's self-appointed ruler. The warlord took the young woman in, had her nursed back to health, then sent her on her way to Novigrad.
Iepa lagunok ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongi etorri The Witcher Wild Hunt honetara, eta uste dut ordua izango dela joateko misio printsipaletara eta eske jigera heltzeko zonaldea topatzera. Hemen hemen di joango gara. Gero salditxo hartu. Baina joan behar gara beste atetik eta dena zuzen hori da. Zerrera berri bat. Ez dakidana da ez. Egilera eltzerakoan gero voltatuko ona edo ez, suposatzen dut baiet.
Slow now, whoa. Come on, Roach. Busy.
Pertsona bat. Zer esaten digun.
You captain of this tub?
What's it to you?
I'm Skellige bound. Need to get there.
Start swimming. Islanders, the black ones, all attackers in those waters. No one sails the route these days.
Come on. Clans are ready to deal. Leave you alone if you do. Someone's done it. Gotta have.
Not likely. Except maybe that daft bastard Wolverston from the Atropos. A liar, a thief, and a bugger, that one. He might have parlayed with the sea swine.
Where can I find him?
In a pigsty most times. Others, the Golden Sturgeon. Ask for Flask, everyone knows him.
Eta bestinta sontziak. Ez daude prest.
Who's captain of this ship?
Looking at her. Aye, her. That's right. I, a woman, am captain. Shocking as shit, I know.
Need to get to Skellige.
Not on this boat, you won't.
Pay you well.
The islanders live off plunder in the seas. Not willing to risk that.
Ever sailed there?
Listen, the islanders attack all ships. When they hate someone, Nilfgaard for instance, they attack him more. But truth be told, not much more. Boarded me once. Expect they wanted to see if I had captain's bollocks. That spot of fun gave me enough Skellige for a lifetime.
Vale. Segon hemen bezitasuntzi bat.
Cleared all the easy to find witches already. I could use a quickie.
Joder, ezin dugu lapurtu. Vale, hemen ere ez. Joango era kapitain horren gana.
You, Wolverston, captain of the Atropos?
So you want to know if I'm Atropos, captain of the Wolverston? No fucking clue, mate.
I need to get to Skellige.
My Atropos and me, we're due to sail for Ard Skellig, carrying grain. But that's hush-hush. Got any coin?
Gotta get more coin.
You sure do. For I won't even whip me horse in a bath without payment in advance. Racial hygiene's as poor as... Personal hygiene.
Vale. Zati dago sardia hor, ez dakit.
That's it, Roach. Oh,
Mira, champón. Bueno.
no loitering round here.
Well, well, look who's here. The White Wolf himself in my humble establishment. How can I be of service?
I need coin. Guess I have to take out a loan?
Of course, I'll arrange it right away.
Just like that?
Lady Yennefer of Vengerberg long ago declared herself your guarantor, were these circumstances ever to arise. Besides, we tried and true methods for collecting debts.
Unbelievable. Richard Novigrad. What will the priest say?
By order of the hierarch,
Greetings! Show me your wares. So long.
También.
Best not cause any trouble at the inn.
A ver. Oh,
Top-notch swords.
Show me what you have in stock. So long.
va a darle la vuelta. Bueno, yo seré Invergenúa. Ai, hemen dirua beharko dugu.
This be the witch, freak of nature. More interesting things from my...
Greetings.
Yeah?
Heard you have a problem. The monster you call a Shrieker.
Aye, prowls about it does. Snatches cows and goats mostly, but it won't scorn a man if it runs into one. Borzoi, huntsman under the old lord, well, he said enough's enough. Claimed he'd put a stop to it, drive the beast away. Took a hatchet. Made an ambush for the Shrieker beyond the moat, where the fields start. It's where we found him, Guts stretched o'er the crown of a tree like gossamer. Took half a day to collect the parts. Put him in a grave.
High time a professional took a look at this shrieker. Anyone around here know more about the beast?
Borzoi's son Simcoe does. Saw the aura with his own eyes. But you might find the lad hard to chat with. Still mourns his father, methinks.
I see. Where'll I find him?
At me homestead. I took the tyke in when he lost his dad. The mother passed long ago.
Love to, but not till the morning.
Can we talk?
Let me be.
Calm down, I just wanna...
Go, I said.
I want to avenge your father. But to do that, I gotta know what killed him.
Shrieker killed him. Don't you know?
That name doesn't mean much to me. Describe the beast. Tell me what it looked like.
Something like a rooster. But huge. With a lizard's tail. I heard Reffler barking in the woods. Ran to see what you were on about. There were Dad, in the bushes. A hole through his belly. And he were moaning, screaming. I wanted to help, but how could I? How?
Shush now, calm.
Calm. Calm.
Take care, kid.
Bueno, dira behar dugun asumako gara lanak egitera.
That's it, Roach.
Bueno, bentsat daukagu egin behar dugun ara joateko.
Let's go!
Muzzles caked in blood. Didn't give up without a fight. Tracks are irregular here. Monster must have started staggering. Was wounded, most likely. Blood. Monster blood.
basilisco bat.
Tracks lead to the cave. The cockatrice. Sounds coming from above. In the cave. Not about to leave. Bomb should smoke it out, though. It's not here. Must have fled through another exit. Gotta nab it before it gets away. There it is. Won't get away this time.
Usando...
What? Lost your nerve?
Giddy up.
Bueno, Roach es de Chan. Izateko diru gehiago irazi dugu.
Ever heard of preventive arsenal?
Come on now. Greetings.
Yeah?
Shrieker won't trouble you anymore.
Thank ye, Master Witcher. Your reward, tain't much, but as they say, take care of the pennies.
Thank you. Any problems in the future, you keep me in mind.
After what you've done for us, you've got a friend in me.
Giddy up.
After the trade, keeps the hunger at bay.
Vale.
Whoa there, Roach.
Argitzen ari du.
Go, go.
Espero diru eta bare egotea.
Hey there.
Ez ere behar dugulako.
Not so fast, Roach.
Jokatzen.
God bless me.
Bai, argitzen ari da. Eguzkia gero eta horago dago. Monstruoak ikutzen ez baditugu asko zero bet.
Faster. Slow now.
A storm, damn it.
Ba, ez dakit erroa da.
Let's go!
Ez dakidana da beste pisurekin bidai azkarra egin dugun ala ez.
Giddy up.
his spine.
For you at Chapel's Burning. Something like wizardry.
Con Dios.
I've had enough of living.
Oi, cocker!
Whitey, why'd your hair go white?
Think I pissed me trousers. Rum and supper I never refused. Rum and supper I never refused. War, sister. War.
Reek's here. Time I went back to sea. Now you.
This life. Sometimes it's
Neta, no llegar el truco.
Watch it, Tran. Novigrad's not your stomping ground.
Tori.
Yes. Save me. I'm dying.
Think he's punishable by death.
Yes, Witcher?
Got a problem? Oh, God. The Reapers come for me.
Fuck.
Hey, green boy. What do I might do? One drink all I have.
Used to be wagons showed on market days. Loaded. Smoke bacon, lard, sausage, potato,
Sure, I'll swallow a cold. When I grow up, I want to be a lad.
Zergaitik ez? A ver.
Little prick.
Some manager's trying to grip me.
Ni orain egin dut.
You look awful.
How may I assist you?
Wouldn't mind a look at your stock. So long.
All evil's the elves doing. Keller said the bloodsucker crawled from Elven Wood.
Nothing left but to pray and beg evil spares us.
Faster.
White as curd. Ah, curd.
Move it!
I don't object to your white mug.
Me man went to see the witch again. She's enchanting. I tell you, it's
Greetings.
What do ye want?
So the notice about Jenny of the Woods, you posted it, right?
Oh, aye, 'twas me. You do it? You's a witcher, is you not? Straight off, a picture in me granny's book. Monstrum, or a portrayal of witchers. Remember like it were the day. We be afeard of her. But Jenny of the Woods, what's she to you?
Let's talk rewards.
Oh, yeah. So, how much would ye wish? Oh, have it your way.
I'm on it. Know if anyone's seen Jenny of the Woods? Could tell me more about her.
Old Willem must have, but he won't tell you naught. He were weak of heart. We found him in the fields this morning. Other folk are afeard to go out nights. But you might try Agneta, lives at the end of the village. Word is she saw the wraith.
And nothing happened to her? She wasn't hurt?
Agneta? Outlived 3 husbands, that one. Jenny of the Woods won't do naught to that wench.
Making me a slingshot. Gonna hunt bears.
Wraith that haunts the village. Heard you can tell me about it.
Oh, I saw her. Saw Jenny of the Woods with mine own eyes. Like I sees you now, Witcher.
What did she look like? In detail, please try.
Truth be told, I didn't see her too clearly. It were growing dim, see, and this pale shape loomed afore me, mist-like. I comes closer, and the cloud thickened, and something like a visage came out of the mist.
What did you do?
What do you think, me love? That I'd wait to see the wraith in full glory? Ran to the village to tell folk what I'd seen.
I see. So she appeared to you just after twilight? Important clue, thanks. You take care now.
Can't take it anymore.
Gonna kill the monsters? All of them. Oh! Maybe I should send me man to the creek. Might catch someone.
See, you're a man well travelled, so tell me, should I beat me when
Oh!
rough?
A woman came through here. Barefoot. A woman came through here. Barefoot. A piece of fabric, possibly from a dress, got snagged on the undergrowth. Stride indicates she was running. Probably why she tore her dress. Somebody chase her? Couldn't outrun her pursuer. He stabbed her or slit her throat. Strange. Left the knife behind. Dried blood on it. Could come in handy. Dragged the body through here. Clear trail. Lugged the body all the way to the woods, buried it here. Shallow grave. Murderer must have been pressed for time. Something's sticking out. A letter. A scorned lover killed the woman, seems to me. A night wraith. Alderman probably knew the girl. I had to ask him. Greetings.
What do ye want?
Zula and Bakai. Did you know them? They must have lived in this village.
Good God, he knows. 'Tis witchery. They disappeared, both of them, into thin air. We've not seen them a week now.
I found the girl's grave and a letter. It's clear she rejected Bakai because she loved another.
Zula and Ontan, aye. We thought they'd fled north to seek happiness there. Bakai departed round the same time. So that's to mean our Zula's the wraith. Can't be. Such a good lass. And so pretty.
Any idea where they used to meet?
I can't say for sure. But the young'uns, they go to the clearing, mostly west of the village, past the fields. Zula. Good gods.
No way I can hope to lift this curse. Gotta drive. Wraith away. Stand a chance if I can bind it to one spot for a while. Night wraith won't appear in daylight. The night wraith won't appear in daylight. way I can hope to lift this curse. Gotta drive the wraith away. Stand a chance if I can bind it to one spot for... Night Wraith won't appear in day.
Come on!
Agian bilatuko dugu beste gauzatxo bat.
No way I can hope to lift this curse. Gotta drive the wraith away. Stand a chance if I can bind it to one spot for a while.
Who will protect us poor from the cutthroat?
That's it, Roach.
Horrengo asesino gozera egin. Askoaren arrozagoa izan da. Nola, ez dut ulertzen. Basordetik joango gara.
Faster.
Careful, sir. A monster prowls the bog. Enter the mist and you'll never see home again.
This monster, tell me more.
Only seen it once myself. And that from afar and past dusk. Thought it were a man at first. Then it turned, and I saw eyes burning like coals and a jaw full of fangs, one next to the other.
Humanoid? Nocturnal? First attack. Remember when it happened?
A week passed, near about. It was then Boren vanished. Merrick and Tomil went looking for him, didn't come back either, them two. I were feared. Now none dare venture into the bog. Camp stands deserted, and the peat there, Master, it's the best sort. Black as pitch and oily. Good for fuel.
Fascinating, but staying with the topic at hand. Assume you put up the notice in Downwarren.
Aye, 'twere me. Got to know someone reads 'em. Paid a scribe a dozen eggs to write it up.
I can help. For a fee.
Course! Why, even an ox don't pull a plough for free.
Afraid I'll need more than an ox needs. How much are you willing to pay exactly?
Oh, Master, you value your services dear. But so be it. I'll agree to that.
All right, time I got to work. Where'll I find this monster?
Start south of here. But beware. Bad, poxy air hangs o'er the marsh. Stings your eyes, claws at your throat. Claws so hard ye could choke.
Bizitza stopera goaz.
No ordinary fog, this. The odor. Metallic almost. Didn't even have time to pull out his weapon. Monster must have been concealed. Surprised him. An illusion. Something here. Where's that artifact Kira gave me?
What? Lost your nerve?
Nahal in his eye. Ought to use it. Someone placed an illusion here. Tracks masked with magic. This is getting interesting. Different claw marks. Guess a few individuals feed here. Guess I'm dealing with an old foglet hiding behind an illusion. There's something here. Need to use the eye.
Come on.
Bastards are strong. Must be the fog.
What now, you piece of filth? Time to end this.
Bastards are strong. Must be the fog.
Not bad. Time to end this.
Hemendik joango gara.
That's it, Roach. Let's go. Come on, Roach. Faster.
This the place?
Greetings, Witcher. It's nearby. Ready?
Need a minute.
Very well, but hurry, please.
Ah.
About with the man's barge place, lad. If I don't know. How would I know?
Positively divine performance. Jolly. You make
Los roles guasondo.
Lay me there with a barrel of beer.
Hmm? I'm here about the contract.
Oh, well, a night patrol got massacred. Tough men, the lot, armed to the teeth. A beast, must be.
Must? What makes you say that?
Have you seen the corpses?
Bodies buried yet? Where?
Orders were to burn them. Our medic was to take a look first, talk to him. He's at the docks now.
See what I can do.
We'll pay you. The boys and me, we pulled what we had for a reward.
Da, jarraitu ezaguan.
Look awfully suspicious to me, tramp.
Benetan.
Stop walking into his soul!
Pathetic.
You're the medic.
What can I help you with?
I'm looking into the dead guards. Heard you did autopsies.
Did their friends hire you? Good. I'm happy to help.
Heard the bodies were desiccated.
Do you believe a beast killed them? I don't. The bodies were dried out. But perhaps they tried to apprehend a mage who cast a nasty spell on them.
Was it dehydration?
Strictly speaking, no. Though I don't quite know what to compare it to.
Last body, where was it found?
In a side alley along the road from the docks to the brothel district. Someone had dropped it there in the middle of the night.
Need to examine that spot. Find any claw or fang marks on the bodies?
Fangs? No. Claws? Not quite. Only scratches. Fingernails, most likely. From their adventures with whores.
Thanks. Should go see the place where they were found.
Good luck. Geralt of Rivia.
My old ship hasn't made port either. It hasn't and never will. You're waiting a letter from your love. God, to see how much can I take?
What's it,
All souls praise the eternal fire.
Hey, handsome.
So, what's it gonna be?
People, help me!
Bodies were found here. Gotta look for clues. Anything unusual.
Let's do this quick. Quicker. Or maybe.
Hobnailed guards' boots. Unimportant.
Another drifter.
Hoofprints, clearly. A horse? No horse I know walks on two legs.
What a smack!
Evidence all points to crippled Kate's.
Bueno, este se arrebateado Marco, da.
Greetings.
Oh, here it is. The apocalypse. A witch has walked into my brothel.
What's strange about that?
What's strange is you. Everyone knows witches are freaks, mutants, unnatural. And this here's a decent brothel for whores with principles. Well, spit it out. Got all the same bits in your trousers like a normal lad.
Last I checked, everything was where it should be. Heard about the murders? Guardsmen?
Many perish round here. It's the pleasure kills them.
Tell the truth.
The succubus. It draws customers. It's raised our take in something wonderful. I know it's a threat, but I don't know that it kills.
A succubus. Where'll I find it?
I've placed it in a house nearby. Here's the key.
Brave lads from the guard already on that butcher's tree.
Bueno. Batzutan ez dugu egin behar honako gauzarik. Bueno. Hori ikusiko da. Izatez ez dira gaiztoak.
Won't find any better. From the Yaruga to the Dragon Mountains.
God, Arena's come for me. Me? The more I drink, the clearer I think.
Kaixo, Salma.
Who are you?
Ever heard of witchers?
Have you come to kill me?
Don't know. Want to talk first? Why'd you kill those guards?
I was careless. Let them surprise me. They wished to kill me. I had to defend myself.
That it? No heart-rending story about human hatred for all things different, all things strange?
I'm not one to lie, nor do I kill without reason.
You gotta leave the city.
And what if I don't?
I'll have to kill you.
I despise change. How stupid of me to walk into an ambush, let myself be surprised.
I'll have to lie about killing you. Usually I bring a trophy.
Very well, take this. And this, because I'm furious with you. Though I shall calm down once I'm away from this place.
Batzutan hitz egitearekin nahikoa da.
Hard times with Elena.
What's he doing here?
Guards were killed by a succubus.
Succubus? In Novigrad? How? Light of the eternal fire protects the city?
Must have gone out a few times recently. Anyway, succubus won't harm anyone anymore. Here's proof.
Masterful work, Witcher. And here's your reward, as promised.
Farewell.
Today, we'll fight it tomorrow.
Azkenan hartu ditugu horrela jarraitzeko hitzarra. Bueno, lagunduko dugu apur bat. Jazki herri eta gero jarraituko dugu aurrerantza. Hau izan da dena, espero gustoko zen zaizue, eta hurrengoan gehiago. Agur.